Hello everyone, and this is Matematic, and in this video I will show you how to install the Arduino software on your computer and run your first Scratch code on it. So first go to Google or any other search engine and type in Arduino software download. Then go to the Arduino website. On the right there will be a list of download options, and choose the one which fits your computer. For me, I have a Windows 10 computer, so I will choose Windows 7 and newer option. Then, support the Arduino IDE page will appear. Arduino is a free software, so you don't need to pay for it, and you can pick just the download option. But if you're a really kind person, you can make a contribution to the Arduino company. So after we click the Just Download button, our download begins. When the download is finished, just click on the file to start the installation. So here is the installation box and the agreement page pops up. Click I agree and proceed. For the installation options, make sure all of the boxes are checked and click Next. Next, pick a folder where you want the Arduino folder to be located and click Next. Now the Arduino software starts installing and you need to wait for a while. Now the download is complete, so we close the installation box and we go to the search box. Type Arduino and click on it. So now the Arduino application has opened. The next step which we need to do is connect the Arduino to your computer. So now take your Arduino and connect it to the computer using the USB port. In the Arduino application, go to the File tab on the top. Go to Examples, go to Basics, and choose the Blink file. The Blink file will open in a new tab. Now let's make sure the application sees our Arduino. So go to the Tools tab and go to the Ports, and it should display our Arduino board. If you don't see the Arduino being connected, this means you will need to install update drivers on your computer. Next, in the board section, make sure the right board is selected. In my case, I'm using the Arduino Uno, so Uno should be selected. Next, let's compile our code and check if there's any errors in the code. So we click on the check button. Everything looks alright, and next you should click on the arrow button and the code will be sent to your Arduino board. Now you should see an orange light blinking on your Arduino board. This is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.